Good morning guys, in front of me is MOTOROLA Razr 70 Ultra, and let me show you how to activate camera timer. So at first, let's enroll your camera app. Now tap on more icon and select timer. Now just pick 3 or 10 seconds delay, click on it, grab a picture, and you'll notice that the timer is active. You'll be able to hear and see the countdown. After that, the photo will be grabbed. And that's it. Then whenever you want to switch it off, just enroll more, go to timer and select off. So, okay, so we didn't switch it off. One more time. Now it's turned off, and as you can see, you can grab a photo right away. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.